Thanks. At 6:01, people in Leavenworth are waking up to some storm damage from last night.
KMBC 9's Rebecca Gannon is there this morning with a look at the damage that was caused by those storms last night. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Diane. Yeah, take a look. This is the Wheel Thing Skate Center here off to my left, which would be your right. And look at the roof and how it's just been peeled back, kind of like a sardine can, just peeled back. Well, I just talked to a neighbor over here who says it turns out the roof that was peeled back went back about a block and is sitting on someone else's house. As soon as we finish with this, we're going to go over there and check out some of that damage. But here we've got the roof, as I mentioned. We've also got power lines that I'm standing right here in front of that are snaking around. I am told that they are dead, that there's no power in the area. And that makes sense. Westar here says in Leavenworth County, about 393 people still without power. Now keep in mind, an hour and a half ago, it was closer to 500. So crews have been working for quite a while trying to take some of that down and to get some of those numbers down and get people back online with some power here. But yes, the video that you're looking at, you can see is some video that we shot a little bit earlier, again, of this damage, all because of last night's storms. Now, as we drove throughout Leavenworth, the city of, we saw that there were some twigs down, maybe a branch down here or there, but nothing monumental. But as the sun comes out, we are starting to see more damage. As I mentioned, the roof here at the skate center, and then everything that is supposedly on a neighbor's house behind us. As I mentioned, we're going to check that out in just a little bit. And when we find out more, we will, of course, bring that to you. Reporting live here in Leavenworth, Rebecca Gannon, KMBC 9 News.